out of the way. Go up kick. Go up kick. Both legs. There you go. Good idea. There you go. A little more. Get out of there. Spin out of there. Don't waste any time.
Come on, steroids. Come on, steroids. Armbar, armbar. Ahí la tienes. Armbar. Armbar.
Good. To your knees. Up, in.
Good steroids. Good. Triangle.
Roll those
right there.
legs
Triangle.
to the side for a minute. Nice. That's what I'm talking about. Same thing with the leg. Get that leg down. Keep working on the legs.
Go guard.
Throw that leg to your side. There you go. Control it by the ankle. Same thing. Nice. There you go. Base out. Good base. Take your time now. Take your time. Put the weight across his face.
Go,
No. Hot doggy.
There you go. Hot doggy. Take guard.
Nice. Now let's do it right this time. Nice and easy. Get your belly up near his head a little bit. Just shut off your breathing. Alright, that's it. Put your weight down now. Base out. Okay. Hips down.
Go, shift now. Shoot.
Nice. That's where you want to be. Close the hips. Down. Furman. Down. Furman, get those hips.
Shrimp.
Start isolating the arm. That'll shut it down. Isolate the arm.
Shrimp. Now. Hook the leg. Hook the leg. Lockdown. Good. Good steroids. No lo dejes. Roll to that side, steroids.
Okay.
Fucking heavy, dude.
Hey, my boy's giving up 20 pounds.
What are you talking about?